In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a LISP file or application in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned AutoCAD user or just getting started, knowing how to load LISP routines can significantly enhance your productivity. These routines are small programs that can automate tasks and provide custom commands for specific actions, saving you a considerable amount of time and effort. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the command line in AutoCAD, which is a crucial tool for executing commands quickly. In the command line, type the word APPLOAD. Once you've typed it, simply press Enter. This command is specifically designed to bring up the load/unload applications. Dialog box, a feature that gives you the capability to manage LISP files or third-party apps on your system effortlessly. Upon pressing Enter, the Load/Unload Applications dialog box will appear. This interface is user-friendly and plays a critical role in facilitating the integration of custom files and applications with AutoCAD. In this dialog box, you have the ability to browse for the specific apps or LISP files stored on your computer. Navigating this dialog box is straightforward. With the option to search through your directories, you can easily locate the files you need to load. Once you've found the pertinent file or files, select them. After making your selection, you'll need to press the Load button. This action initiates the loading process, integrating the selected applications into your AutoCAD session. Be sure to confirm that each application you've selected is successfully loaded. If you have multiple applications or LISP files to integrate, repeat this process for each until you're satisfied with your selections. After you've loaded all the applications you need, the next step is to simply press the Close button in the dialog box. This will exit you out of the Load/Unload Applications window and bring you back to your AutoCAD workspace, now equipped with the enhanced functionalities provided by the loaded LISP routines and applications. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully loaded a LISP file or application into AutoCAD. Incorporating these routines can significantly boost your efficiency and open the door to a more streamlined, personalized AutoCAD experience. Remember, being comfortable with such features not only aids in immediate tasks, but also improves your overall workflow. Thanks for following along today. Be sure to experiment with various LISP routines to discover how they can best serve your specific needs in AutoCAD. Until next time, happy designing.